I've been with the county just over 7 months, and I'm a mechanical administrator. My key responsibilities day to day, make sure the mechanics have the parts they need, purchasing parts and taking care of paying for the part that we get. What I like most about work for county is the people, the camaraderie, dealing with troubleshooting different aspects of machines, making sure everybody has a safe machine to work on. The branch I served in was United States Air Force. I did 17 years as an aircraft mechanic. Things that I learned in the military that is transferred into my job here at county is going off my mechanical background. I can better understand what the mechanics are asking for and understand the equipment or parts they need to perform the task. I'd recommend a job here at county to a fellow veteran or service member because it's a stable work environment. They treat their employees right, how well they take care of the veterans, and if they need assistance, there's people in place where they can go to get help if they need it.
Veterans can provide a good life for their family, find purpose in their post-military career, and seek growth opportunities in concrete manufacturing. County Materials is a leading producer of concrete construction and landscape products. We proudly employ veterans and service members and help them align their military experience with rewarding careers within our company. Together, we're building a company that hard-working people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946. Join the County Materials team by visiting centralprocessingcorp.com.